Hey guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie HOme. If you're new, my name is Lillian. In today's video, you guys are going to be decorating and cleaning up a little bit with me. We're doing like different things in the house, the entryway, the game room, and some things in the room. So let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, if you've been looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your home decor and lifestyle, then I am the right girl for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to like and comment in the video. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do is this game room up here. These kids have destroyed the whole house. Like every day this place goes back to like this. I clean up and it goes back to normal. But so it's about the evening time right now. I'm done working, and so the next thing I like to do honestly is to clean up here, because this is where I stay and relax for the evening. So we're gonna clean up here, light some candles, and get ready for the evening. So look at how look at everywhere. These kids are like just just doing the most. Aiden, Addie, what are you doing? You okay, Addie? Huh? Time to clean. Aiden, come on, clean. Pick up all your toys.
I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire.
Okay, I just finished like clearing it up. I need to bring the little robot shark cleaner, whatever, vacuum. So I need to bring the little shark vacuum to vacuum here, and then I'll go downstairs and do some things. But let's light some candles first. Pick up your trash, Aiden. Pick up that trash and go put it in the trash can. I know. This looks a hot mess. I had a lot of work today at work, and so the moment the kids were done eating, I just went upstairs to finish working. So now I need to clean up this whole mess. Pray for me. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, I got H&M for Addie the other day. Possibly it was yesterday. I dumped everything there. I got some books here that I needed to read from a church. And then John left his candy here. Well, he left the candy for the kids, so it's still here. Yesterday I went to buy some potatoes and I left it here last night. I was so tired, you guys. So a lot of things I was supposed to do last night I didn't do, so I just went straight to bed. So now I'm gonna put that away. I'm already sweating, you guys. I'm already sweating. It's not easy to clean up, you guys. It's not easy. but we need to clean. Okay, so quickly I want to show you guys so in my previous video I was talking about entryway. So I went to like Home Goods in different stores. At first I was shopping online to see if I could find something, but they were quite expensive. And then I went to like Ross and then Home Goods, and then I found something like a rug, actually like an actual rug, but it was a little bit too big for the hallway. So now I got this rug, you guys. I'm so excited to get this rug. So let's see if it actually works in this entryway. Okay, so I got it for $79.99. I feel like it might be a little bit too small for it. I think it's a little bit too small for this space. Alright guys, the rug I like, but the size I think is too small, so I might have to return it and see. Let me sit down. Okay guys, so the rug I like, but I love the color, everything about that rug, and it was $79, and it's an Loloi rug, L-O-L-O-I. Loloi rug is actually a very good quality rug, and I got it for $79. Online it was on sale for $259, so that's a pretty good buy. And I like it. It just seems a little bit too small. What do you guys think? Let me know, guys.